Task 3 of projects 2, 3 and 4 is where you get to bring those session plans and resources that you created in tasks 1 and 2 to life. So let's go through the instructions. You're required to conduct your presentation and work skill instruction using the templates and resources that you created. Your assessor will complete an assessor observation when observing you conducting your work skill instruction. If you're conducting your session face-to-face, one of your peers, as nominated by the trainer, will be required to complete a peer observation. And they will be giving that observation back to you for you to upload directly into this portal following your session. Your assessor will also be completing an assessor observation. Now, the reason why we get a peer to fill in a peer observation is because your assessor probably won't be watching the whole of your presentation. They will actually watch a component of your presentation work skill instruction to ensure that you're meeting the criteria that's required. But generally that's actually been achieved in the first 10 to 15 minutes of your presentation. Your assessor will then move on to another group to observe the first 10 to 15 minutes of another observation. While you continue for the full 30 minutes of your observation, and your peer continues to take some notes of how you've conducted the session and how long your session actually took to ensure that it does go for the entire duration of a minimum of 30 minutes. So for this task, I've mentioned what you would be doing if you were doing this face-to-face, but if you are actually doing this by a distance or you are a virtual student, then you do not need to have a peer observing you. And the reason being is because you will submit a video of your session. Your assessor will actually watch the full 30 minutes of that session. So there's no need for the peer observation. There are instructions contained within Canvas on how to actually submit that video submission. If you're completing this task in another group, perhaps maybe not necessarily using Canvas, then you will need to actually ask your assessor to give you instructions on where to submit the video and how to provide that to them.